Welcome to Inverary, on the longest loch in Scotland, Loch Fyne. It's situated 1.5 hours drive from Glasgow in the area of Argyll and Bute. It's a fairy tale town of castle, duke and legend. Inverary is the Gaelic for the mouth of Array. In 2012, the Christmas episode of Downton Abbey was filmed in part over here, and the castle where its duke and family still live was used. The Duke of Argyll, by the way, is head of Clan Campbell and was established in 1745. The castle's stunning Georgian architecture has a wonderful view over the loch, and I'm sure you would appreciate a visit over there. Vital Spark, the boat moored, the lovely little steamer there, famously known as the Clyde Puffer, is moored here at the harbour, as you've seen. The bronze statue on the green there is a memorial of World War I and II men of war that were lost. It was unveiled on the 20th of August in 1922. Anyone who enjoys a fine ale might just pop down to the local brewery here in Llandovery and sip on a fine ale, as it's known, named after the local loch, and enjoy a brew called the Vital Spark, named after the steamer that we've seen here. It's a tribute to this legendary series of steamers.